students, today we will study our chapter number 2nd for class 7 for subject social science. In the previous video we study the question number F. Now we will solve the question number G. Very short answer type questions. First, name the 3 layers of the earth. Core, mantle, crust. Second, name the 3 types of rock. Sedimentary, igneous, metamorphic. Third, give 2 examples of sedimentary rocks, sandstone or limestone or clay. Fourth, mention 2 types of igneous rock, granite and dolerite. Question number H, short answer type questions. First, what do you mean by rock cycle? तो हमारा आंसर होगा वन टाइप ऑफ रॉक चेंज टू अनदर टाइप अंडर सर्टेन कंडीशन इन अ cyclic manner. This process of transformation of the rock from one to another is known as the rock cycle. Second question is, what is the core of the earth? Answer is, first, the innermost layer is the core with a radius of about 3500 kilometers. Second, it is mainly made up of nickel and iron, which is called knife. Third, the central core has very high temperature and pressure. Question number 3. What do you mean by metamorphism? इसका आंसर होगा metamorphic rock when igneous and sedimentary rock are subjected to great heat and pressure, their original characters and appearance completely change, giving them a new form. These rocks are called metamorphic rock. Question number 4. How are igneous rock formed? Answer is, when the molten magma cool, it becomes solid rock. Thus formed are called igneous rock. Fifth, what is a mineral? तो आंसर होगा, mineral are naturally occurring substance to have certain physical properties and define chemical composition. Question number 6. What are the uses of rock? Rock have been used since the Stone Age for various purpose. First, extracted mineral are used them as resources. Second, hard rock are used for making road, house and building. Third, rocks yield valuable gems, diamond, garnet and jet. Question number 7. What is magma? Magma is the molten rock under the surface of the earth with the thickness of about 2900 km between the crust and the core. Question number I, long answer type questions. First, how are sedimentary rock formed? तो हमारा आंसर होगा, first the rock roll down, crack and heat each other and are broken down into small fragments which are called sediments. Second, these sediments are transported and deposited by wind, water, etc. Third, these loose sediments are compressed and hardened to form layer of rock called sedimentary rock. Fourth, its example are sandstone, limestone and clay. Fifth, these rocks may contain also fossil of plant, animal and other microorganisms that once lived on them. Question number 2. Give an account of Earth's mantle. तो हमारा आंसर होगा सेकेंड का, the layer just below the crust is called the mantle. Second, it is made up of denser matter and has an average density of 3.2. The mantle is the storehouse of magma. Third, magma is the molten rock under the surface of the earth with the thickness of about 2900 km between the crust and the core. Fourth, the most common mineral found here is called Olivian due to its olive green color. Question number third, differentiate between intrusive and extrusive rock. तो हमें इंट्रूसिव और एक्सट्रूसिव रॉक में डिफरेंस लिखना है. तो हम फर्स्ट पॉइंट लिखेंगे, दीज रॉक्स आर फॉर्म्ड व्हेन मैग्मा फेल टू ब्रेक थ्रू द crust and cooled slowly close under the crust forming rock. Second, it solidify into rock with large grain of crystal. Third, its example are granite and dolerite. Fourth, grinding stone used to prepare paste powder of spices and grain are made of granite. Extrusive igneous rock. First, lava is actually fiery red molten magma coming out from the interior of the earth on its surface. Second, when this molten lava comes on the earth's surface, it rapidly cool down and become solid. Third, this solidification in the form of rock is called extrusive igneous rock. Fourth, they have a very fine grained structure as basalt and obsidian. Fifth, the Deccan Plateau is made up of basalt rock. Explain formation of metamorphic rock with example. So our answer is metamorphic rock when igneous and sedimentary rock are subjected to great heat and pressure, their original characters are appearance completely change, giving them a new form. These rocks are called metamorphic rock. So students, ये है आपकी एक्सरसाइज फॉर चैप्टर नंबर 2. इसको आपको आपकी नोटबुक में कंप्लीट करना है.